YouTube? It's your girl Ashley. Welcome to Splash TV. This is episode 8, and today's segment we're going to be talking about the open box Boxycharm. It's been a while since I've did one of these videos, but I want to say that I'm back on my channel and I'm coming with some brand new content. I just want you guys to show some love and support for your girl. So without further ado, we're going to hop right into these products and let's get it. So what is Boxycharm, right? Boxycharm is a company that offers several beauty products, right? They have these upscale products at a very, very low rate. You pay a minimum subscription, I think, of like $25. They have other packages as well, but the one that I'm currently using is $25. And it comes in a box like this. The value is worth, I believe, like $200 and some change, maybe even more. Please don't quote me on that. However, you get everything in this box randomly chosen. You have to take a little quiz, but it's $25 a month. I'm excited to go ahead and present this to you all. So without further ado, we're gonna open this box and see what the hell is in this box. Okay, try not to make this video very, very lengthy. I'm gonna try to dive right into the products, what they have, and we're gonna just open it right now. I have my razor and we're just gonna, and there you go. So this is my first time, just like you, seeing what is in the box. So guys, let's open it. Look at that. That is so freaking cute. I love, love, love their boxing. I love their packaging. It's very, very cute, sleek, it's neat, and it's simple. What they do is give you a little card just like this. This is, I'm assuming this would be for the month of February. Like I said, I'm a little bit late, but I have my March box coming. So we're gonna just do 2 segments and hopefully we'll get through that. So on the back of the card, it lists all the products that are in your very box. I'm not going to do it for the simple fact it takes the fun out of everything. I'm just going to individually go and pick up the product, show you the boxing, and I might do a swatch or so. So yeah, we're going to do it that way, and I think it's more fun. You guys will enjoy it better, and so will I, because if I read off everything, I'm sure that I will know at least a few of these on here. So we're going to just keep it fun, and we're just going to hop right into the first product. Let's go. So the very, very first product that I noticed is called guys, and it looks just like this. Okay, it looks just like this. The packaging is pretty sleek. This is obviously for your eyes. It says it's an eye duo. It's for a mascara plus an eye pencil as well that comes in the package. They like breakdown of exactly what it is, how it looks before you take it out the box. So I'm just gonna take it out the box. They claim to be, it is vegan, cruelty, gluten, paraben, synthetic, fragrance free, and formulated with D5. So we're just gonna open it really quickly, and we're gonna see exactly what it looks like. Ooh, that is nice. I love the packaging. This is really nice. I love to look up the products, how much they are, exactly what they go for on the market, and it just makes me so much more excited. So let's see what it is. So I'm not even gonna flex, like, oh my god, this looks so damn complicated. I don't know if it's a pen you write with or if I could just inject myself. I don't know what it is, but it's really cute. Right here it says flip down to curl. So guys, I don't know what this is. Oh, it's an eyelash curler. I don't know whose eyelashes honey can fit in there, or what the dealio is with that, but this is the eyelash curler. So you flip it down, you'll just simply, I would imagine, put your eyelash in there and it'll curl it instantly. And then, oh wow, here's the mascara. So the most, or the mass of it, is the mascara, guys, and this is what it looks like. Look at that wand. That's nice. Yeah, I'll be using that for sure. So yes, guys, I did apply the Shastique under my lower eyelid, but I'm going to apply a little bit more so you guys can see as well. Wow, it really did bring volume and definition. Okay, I'll see y'all, Shastique. So yeah, I'm going to use that, and I'll let y'all know and update y'all. So, but yeah, it looks pretty cute, and yeah, it does the job. I already had mascara on before, but it definitely brought it out a little bit more, so I like that. Can't complain. Moving to the next. So guys, how did we forget the freaking pencil, right? This is what the pencil looks like. So the packaging is just like this, right? It looks like this, but that's too cute. You twist it off, or just like this, and I'm just gonna lightly swatch it because I like to see the pigment. Ooh, wow, that's amazing. That is nice. Now I like me a good pencil. We're just gonna try a little bit under the eye. Wow, that's nice. So, ooh, that's really, really nice. I like that. So yeah, this is the color Black Sand. And as you can, guys, this distributor is, or it is from New York, New York. So I like that. I'm going to be using that for sure and letting you guys know, keep you updated on these products. Next product. So the next product that I have, you guys, is the Tula Skincare Also Poreless Deep Exfoliating Blackhead Scrub. This is what the packaging looks like. If you are familiar with Tula, you know that they are a great product, guys. This is a great skincare line. This is the probiotic skincare, right? I can't wait to try it. Again, we're going to take it out the box. This is called the So Poreless. I love their packaging too. It's very, very sleek. They are kind of on the pricey side, but like I said, Boxycharms give you the opportunity to test all these upscale products just to kind of see and feel, get the feeling of it, see if it's for you. And you know, because everything that you buy expensive doesn't mean that it will work. I can't wait to try it, but we're gonna move on to the next product. I have in my hand the Evo Beauty. This is the Pore Effect. It's a matte finish primer. Actually, I love me some matte primers. This is how the packaging looks. Very, very sleek. I've never heard of it personally, but doesn't mean that it's not a great brand. This is 100% natural, vegan, paraben, gluten, and cruelty toxic free. So yeah, I'll love to try that. I'm gonna give it a smell test actually. It smells okay. It's not very pleasant, but it doesn't smell bad either, if that makes sense. So we're just gonna simply swatch it or dab it like that just to kind of feel the consistency. It's very, very soft, I can tell you that. It's not sticky or gooey or any of that. So it's kind of hard to tell if you don't have foundation on. So I'll be updating you guys. But yeah, so far so good. Next product. So you guys, what I have in my hand right now is called the Glamier. This is what it looks like. It looks like a packaging. What I can see, it's like some sequins, you know, that type of thing. So we're gonna open it and see what it is. It's a pack of brushes. It's not letting me open it. There we go. Okay, so this is what the packaging looks like. Isn't that gorge? I really love it. This is a brand that I've, again, never heard of, but we're going to open the brushes and see what they look like, right? So guys, right off the bat, I noticed I do like the pouching. You can always reuse this. It's you can definitely utilize this. I love the brand name. However, I think it's kind of just simplistic. I mean, like I said, it's not too bad, but it's what's inside the packaging that matters. Always remember that. So yes, with these, it comes with 4 brushes, guys, and these are so freaking pretty. These were the Valentine's Day edition. This is a brush. It looks like these. I always see these brushes everywhere I go, but look at the brush. So let's see how it feels. Oh my gosh, they're freaking amazing. That is so soft. So it doesn't really give you instructions on what kind of brushes they are. So yeah, it comes with 4 brushes just like these. This is definitely a brushes that I can use for sure. These are blending brushes more so, and it looks like it has an eyeliner brush as well, a lip one, and you can kind of use them for multi-use purposes. But yeah, I love it. They're so freaking cute. Again, the packaging can be better, but hey, you can't go wrong with brushes, and they feel great. So yeah, we're just gonna keep it at that, and yeah, this is how they look. On to the next product. So last but not least, guys, I have this thingamajig in my hand. I'm not sure. It looks like an eyeshadow palette, just to kind of take a guess on what it is, but I have not taken it outside of the bubble wrap. So we're gonna just find out together what it is, honey. This is the last product, unfortunately, but I think for their February box, they did something a little bit of different for Valentine's Day. I want to say that my March box is way bigger than that, so I'll have more products to review, so you guys stay tuned for that. But we're just gonna go ahead and open this. And I want to close my eyes because I love eyeshadow, and I'm just hoping that this is what it is. This is the Nostalgia, the Is Beauty. This is the palette just like this one. Yes, this is so pretty. I already know that their colors are going to be bomb. So let's open it to see. I'm really having a hard time opening this stuff, y'all, but we're going to open it and get there. The package looks like outside of the box. This is the palette. I think I'm going to let you all see first, or we can do it at the same time. But I'm kind of nervous to open it. I know she has great products, but I am nervous to see. So let's look at it together. Look at that. Oh my gosh, look at those colors. That is awesome. That is so bomb, you guys. Look at that. I soon to have a eyeshadow palette dropping really soon, and I can get amazing ideas from her. Go nostalgic on, girl. I've always heard great things about it, but we're gonna do a swatch test really quickly on a couple. I'm digging this orange. That's called Vacation. They got the pink, they have the green, they have the orange as well. So we're gonna swatch the green and see what that be like. Look at that, you guys. Like, look at that. Look at that green, you guys. I swatched that. Look at that. Oh my God. I cannot wait to use that, girl. I'm gonna hurry up and go somewhere. Look at this pink. That like hot pink. Straight on time for the summer, period. I love my yellows. I'm gonna swatch that yellow because I know sometimes, look at that. That's very pigmented. We're gonna go right aside the green. That's good as well. That yellow can be a little bit tricky, but let's do that picnic. Look at that. It's almost like a neon, guys. Let's swatch it to see. Wow. That is what's up. And I didn't dig deep. As you can see, there's no imprint or anything except for that little green. I think I did a little bit too much, but other than that, look at that. That is awesome, you guys. I am so excited to use this palette. You guys, that is all for today. I just want to say thank you so very much to everybody who's supporting me, who's sharing my things, who's liking, commenting, doing all what you can just to support your girl. I do see you guys. So I just want to spread the love back. Whatever you guys like for me to review, I can do that. Just drop it in the comments below, you guys. Let me know and we can go from there. So I just want to say thank you again. I hope you guys have a good day or a good night wherever you are. It's 5 o'clock somewhere, so I'm going to grab my wine. But until next time, bye bye.